What's up, guys? 2017 National Treasures full case random number 2. We are going live. Timestamp is 9:49. Already have the teams and the names in. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is a 7. We're going 7 times on the teams. Randomized both, throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you end up, that is who you have. Eagles on top and Bills on the bottom. TOZQGM is the code for the teams. Let's do the names. 4 or more. 11. I think we had 11 on the last random. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Brian Kolish on top. Mr. Mahomes on the bottom. NEZNYC. There you go. That is who you have. No idea why it takes us away every time. And we are done. Thanks, guys. We'll get it in 9:50. Got it.